Hey friends, if you wish to install Microsoft Office for free in Windows 11, then I'll give you a very easy trick. This wouldn't be the actual Microsoft Office, the paid version, but the online version. So you can install it as an app. Open Microsoft Edge, go to office.com and hit enter. Click on these three dots at the top right corner, select more tools, select apps, install the site as an app, and then name it Office, and then click on install. Wait for a few seconds. Check this box here to create the desktop shortcut and allow. Now see what happens. You'll find this app on the desktop itself. You can open it from here, or you can also search for offices in the search bar and then open Office. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.